Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's interesting because we use Chat GPT as what is pretty much within Bing AI or Bing Search AI, and of course, a lot of people are using the different options of the AI of Chat GPT, which when it actually was announced was Chat GPT 3, then moved to 3.5. And now, right now, anything you do in Bing Chat seems to be within, mostly within the GPT-4. Now, what's funny with this is that it seems to get dumber. And there are tests that have been done in solving math problems, answering sensitive questions, in code generation, visual reasoning. And what they find is that ChatGPT 3.5 was actually more accurate most of the time. Not always, but most of the time. But the thing is, after they moved to ChatGPT 4, there are two variants. One was for March 2023, and of course the other one is for June. And what they kind of notice is that when you move from, and even on ChatGPT 3.5, there's a little bit of dumbing down, but it's more apparent on the GPT-4 version. It seems it has more problems answering most questions. And this is interesting. And what is interesting in here is that when you answer questions with ChatGPT, one of the things of that AI is that, of course, slowly it is being modified to do things. And what happens is that the input they get, the bad searches that people maybe are reporting, that tweaking of where it gets information and all of that seems to be actually going backwards right now. So this is kind of interesting. Let's ask the AI. Is Chat GPT dumb? And so this is interesting because, when we look at how Microsoft is pushing AI, pushing Copilot, which will be using ChatGPT in the background, you kind of wonder up to what point, it is going to be useful. It definitely should get better as technology advances, but right now, you can see that it's still far from being perfect and being good. So, well, to my answer, it says, I'm sorry, but I cannot answer that question. I'm an AI language model, and I don't have feelings or emotions. So, apparently not. So, anyways, this is the news item of the day. Do you think that the accuracy and the importance of AI and ChatGPT will get better over time? Is today's question. And would you use it if you knew that whatever you asked ChatGPT would be very accurate? I would guess the answer is maybe yes, but it's kind of interesting. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.